Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a portable laboratory in the palm of your hand? Are you ready to meet the FNRSI 2C53P Plus upgraded from WSTO by G, a game-changing oscilloscope that's redefining the world of electrical engineering? This powerful device has been highly praised by many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, and for good reason, as it combines the functions of a 2-channel oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator, making it an incredibly versatile tool. When you hold the FNRSI 2C53P Plus in your hand, you'll notice its rugged texture, built to withstand the demands of frequent use, and the intuitive interface that makes setup a breeze. The oscilloscope function boasts a sampling rate of 250 ms/s and a bandwidth of 50 MHz, allowing you to capture even the most fleeting signals with precision, and the built-in high-voltage protection module gives you peace of mind when working with sensitive equipment. The Multimeter Mode is equally impressive, with a 4.5-digit 19,999 counts display, capable of measuring AC and DC voltage, current, capacitance, resistance, and more, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your circuit's behavior. The DDS signal generator mode rounds out the package, offering 12 different function signals, including sine, square, and triangle waves, with adjustable frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle, giving you the flexibility to test a wide range of scenarios. In real-life use, the FNRSI 2C53P Plus excels. Whether you're troubleshooting a faulty circuit or prototyping a new design, its accurate analysis capabilities, including afterglow FFT spectrum analysis and cursor measurement, help you pinpoint issues and optimize performance. With its exceptional performance, ease of use, and portability, it's no wonder this oscilloscope has become a go-to choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.